Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys. Today on the gold market we provide just brief update because all the scenarios we have discussed in the vehicle report, now we just could take a look how they work. Actually market behaves were pretty nice since the starting of this gorgeous triple to sell patch, and market behaves really predictably, and following our trading plan it provides the confidence when the technical tools are working. This is very good news, and this supports the idea that the market stands under the normal driving factors, on some real economical driving factors. And here we can see that the trading plan that we have prepared in the vehicle report is working. So currently we are watching for a downward continuation here. It's hitting of the 1280 area somewhere in this order. This will be also, you can see, trend line support, although in the longer term perspective we're still watching for AB equals CD action somewhere to the 1260, but as we have agreed in the beginning of the week we will watch for minor downward continuation and then starting on the retracement. That's our trading plan for the few sessions in the beginning of the week. So take a look what is going on right now on the 4-hour frame chart. That's our major ABCD pattern, as you can see. Recall what we have talked about it in the vehicle report. It's ABC top, and we discussed the COP target. It's minor extension. So on the daily chart we are watching for AB equals CD target. On the intraday chart we are watching for a COP contraction objective point on the 4-hour frame chart. This is also important target by the reason that actually this is the big extension, and it's valid not only for the daily but for the intraday charts as well. And the intraday charts it even could provide more significant support. As we have got the bull bearish grabber on Friday with this downward action, we said in the vehicle report that we're watching for taking out of this loss, and general grabber suggests and confirms our idea of another leg down before major retracement will start. So as we have talked about it, here you can see great example of the gold tricky action, this kind of trap that gold market likes to form. The same story you could see here. So you can see first fast rally, sharp reversal down before the hitting major target. If you remember, here was 1322 ABCD target, and then climbing up, grabbing the stops above the zero, trapping those traders who have taken short here in the wrong direction, punished them, reaching the target and starting major drop. The same story here. Upside sharp fast reversal. The bull traders who see this price action trying to take the position based on the moment, or based on momentum, and suggesting that market will continue to move higher, but they were trapped in wrong direction. Market drops lower, grabbing the stops and coming down to the major target that stands at 1283, and after that we suggest here is the starting major action. Here we also suggest starting of the moderate retracement. So currently, personally, I think that it could be somewhere in the 13 even maybe, just because this will be just 30% retracement, confidence resistance, including weekly pivot point. Well, this normal reaction, and middle the 50% of this nasty downward candle. So that's pretty nice area this market could hit. Simultaneously, you could see that market is forming bullish reversal pattern. So where stands an impossible forming of the butterfly buy. It has the 1.7 extension, 1283 as well. So this downward action right to the COP could be finalized by the butterfly. After that, retracement could start. So if you would like to take the long position, you could use this setup, but be careful. Would not want to see this kind of action, thrusting action here, acceleration. In this case, do not take the long position. It could mean two things: either market will continue to move lower, or possible pullback could start a bit lower from the 1618 extension of the butterfly around 1278. That's also possible. So if market will slowly, gradually will just move here, this will be an area where you could think about scalp long position, taking the long position, with pullback. But guys, this is action against the major tendencies. So I keep it outside of our major trading plan, outside of consideration, and I just share with you the setup if you trade on the intraday charts, on the hourly chart, on the lower time frame. This is a possible setup that you could use, but this setup is not our general setup. That's why officially I do not call for taking the long position here, because we're trading gold market short. And for us, any pullback here, it will be just the chance to take the bearish position at the better price. That's the validity for us, the value for us of the retracement. We do not intend to trade it from our major time frame, because we are preparing the analysis of the daily chart. But that is just sharing with you with the steps that we also have on the intraday chart. But we, in the context of this video, we do not intend to take the long position on the gold market here. So let's keep watching what will happen. Currently, market behaves pretty nice, following our analysis, and see what we'll get around 1283 area. Now we are watching for a pullback here somewhere to the 13 even after completion of these two patterns, major COP and the butterfly.